Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the BEARZ outdoor picnic blanket. So on my trip to Europe, my husband and I have loved using this blanket.
This is great because it is so compact and tiny, and yet it opens up and it can easily hold a family on this picnic blanket. It is really high quality. It's like tent material. If you spill food, don't worry, it wipes up.
This blanket is also 100% waterproof. I can tell you because in Switzerland, it started pouring rain and we were able to use it as a makeshift umbrella and stay completely dry.
And it's just so compact. So once you finish, you just fold it up and put it back in its little travel carrying case. I think that this is a great high quality item at such a great price, and it's something that everyone should have. Throw it in the trunk of your car, throw it in your carry-on bag, and you are ready for a picnic wherever you go.
So I think you're gonna love this BEARZ outdoor picnic blanket. It is amazing whether you're going to the beach, on a vacation. You can use it everywhere. It's tried and true.
But that's just my point of view.